Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to Mobile WizTech. Today I'll be doing unboxings for the 2019 Samsung Fast Wireless Charging Stand, the Dual Wireless Charging Pad, and also the 10,000 milliamp Fast Charging Battery Pack. Before I get started, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so that way you can stay up to date when new videos are posted on my channel all the time. So I purchased these accessories by using the $150 credit you receive from Samsung if you pre-ordered the Note 10 Plus, and I think you get $100 if you pre-ordered the Note 10. So if you pre-ordered one of those devices, you want to go ahead and make sure you take advantage and get your device registered so that we can receive the credit. I think you have until September 20th or September 27th to register your device so that we can receive the credit. And then once you receive your credit, you have until December 20th or something like that of this year to use it, or it expires. So you want to go ahead and make sure you take advantage of that if you pre-ordered one of those devices. So again, this is the 2019 Fast Wireless Charger Stand by Samsung. And you can see the features here. It supports 15 watts wireless charging, but I believe it's only the Note 10 Plus that can receive 15 watts of wireless charging. You can see on the back here as well that it has fast wireless charging 2.0, but only the Note 10 and the S10 series can receive that, at least for now. And you can see what they have listed here. So it's only the Note 10 Plus that can receive 15 watts, and the Note 10, S10, S10 Plus, S10e, and S10 5G can receive 12 watts. And you can see the rest there as well. So let's go ahead and open up the box. All right, let's see. So as it states there, 25 watt charge brick. So you get the same charger that you do with your Note 10 or Note 10 Plus, and a USB Type-C cable as well. So it looks like you got a little manual here, or yeah. And here's the stand. Let's see here. It looks like, and this is your 25 watt charger, USB Type-C. And it should be USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable, as you can see there. So and yep, there's your port. And all you do is plug it up. All you do is plug it up and just sit your phone on there. And this is my Note 10, is on the charger. I mean, it's in the case. And I'm not sure if you can see the light, but that's all to it there. And at the back, you have your cooling vents, so your phone should not be overheating. Yep. So that's that one. Next, we have the 2019 Wireless Charge Dual Pad, and this also supports Fast Charge 2.0. So it will be this side that supports the Fast Charge 2.0, and this side supports just the Fast Charge. If you're charging two devices, then you won't get the Fast Charge 2.0 on this side, only if you're charging with the Galaxy Watch on this side. So if you have the Galaxy Watch on this side and then you're charging like your Note 10, then you'll get the full benefits. But any other device that's charging over here while you're charging your other device over here, then you won't have the Fast Charge 2.0. It actually says that on the back here too. Let's see. Where does it say it at? Right here. When you charge two mobile devices besides the Galaxy Watch at the same time, you cannot use fast wireless charging 2.0. So there you have it. So let's open up the box. So again, you get the 25 watt charge brick, but this time is USB type A on this side. And then your cable, of course, is USB type A to USB type C. And here is dual wireless charge pad. Again, USB type C. It's fairly small. I thought it would be larger than this when I saw it online, but side by side there. All you would do here is just, again, plug it up. Drop your phone on top. You're good to go. These are my Tozo T10 wireless earbuds. Or I can there you go. So pretty cool. This also comes in white as well if you're interested. So if you want a different color, they have a white version for this one. I didn't talk about that. I think they have a white version for this one as well. But yeah. Last but not least is the Samsung 10,000 milliamp fast charge battery pack. As you can see there, it supports 15 watts charging, USB type C, and dual USB ports. And let's see here. On the back, it tells you what comes in the box. And here is the remaining battery power indicators here. All right, so let's go ahead and open this box. All right. There's the battery pack here. And charge cable, USB type A to USB type C. See, so let's plug in. So actually, let's take a look at the device itself first. So this is how you would charge it. And then these are your charge ports, so you can charge two devices at a time. But you'll plug it in here and then plug the other end to the wall, so that way you can start to charge it. Again, those are your light indicators right here for how much battery power is left in this device. It has like a matte feel to it, and you won't leave fingerprints on it, so that's pretty cool. And size comparison, not that far off, so you can actually have both of these in your pocket at the same time while it's charging. So just like this, and then you plug your other end here. And let's see here. Now, there are not any lights here, so I think you only see those lights while you're actually charging it, so you know how much power is left. But yeah, this is it. I did want to point out, if you're charging using Fast Charge 2.0 here or here on this pad, that the speed is pretty close as if you were charging with a 15 watt Samsung brick directly from the wall to your device. So the speed difference between Fast Charge 2.0 and just Fast Charge is a big difference. So That's definitely worth upgrading to one of these devices. And again, you get fast charging with this as well. So all in all, it's a win across the board. Now, once again, if you did pre-order the Note 10 or Note 10 Plus, make sure you download the Samsung Shop app, and I'll have a link in the description for that. But you would download the Samsung Shop app, register your device, and wait for it to be approved. And once it is approved, then you can go ahead and purchase one or all three of these items or other items that are on there as well. And if you didn't pre-order the Note 10 or Note 10 Plus, you can head to the description as well, and I will have links for these items. And if you are interested, please use the links in the description, as it truly helps me out. If you like this video, please hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. I thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.